Hey guys, here's a video answer key for the practice quiz over 6A through 6C. Alright, here we go. So plot each integer and its opposite on the number line. Make sure to plot points. So first of all, 9. We're going to plot the 9 and label it 9. And then we'll plot its opposite, which is -9, and label it -9. Even though this is labeled under here, go ahead and label it. -3. We're going to graph -3 right here, and then +3 right here. Notice that it said make sure to plot the points. We need to circle those in. And then finally -6. So we're going to graph -6 or plot -6, and then its opposite, which is +6. All right. The next one says to put these numbers in order from least to greatest. And so our smallest number here, the number that would be most to the left on the number line, is -6. And then our next number would be -3, just moving my way from the left to the right of the number line. And then I would hit 0. And then I would hit 3. And then finally my largest number is 9. Okay, let's look at the next ones. So we've got, first of all, the leftmost number would be -9. And then as we move to the right, we would hit -5 next, so that's the next largest number. And then as we continue to move to the right, we would hit 3 next. And then we would hit 5 next. And then we would hit 9 next. And so now we've got those in order from least to greatest. All right, absolute value. Remember, absolute value is always a positive value. So this means, what is the absolute value of 15? It is 15. Absolute value of -12, it is 12. Now we're going to use our greater than and less than symbols to compare the numbers. -5 is closer to 0 on the number line than -7. So -7 is smaller than -5. So -5 is greater than -7. The wider portion goes towards the greater value. 11 is greater than a -11. 0 is greater than -8. -8 is to the left of 0 on the number line. And then -10 is less than -2. Alrighty. Next one, label the quadrants below. So first of all, we're going to label these quadrants. We've got quadrant 1 here. We've got quadrant 2 here. We've got quadrant 3 here. And we've got quadrant 4 here. And then we're going to name the quadrant or axis of each point. And so if we graphed -5, -6, that means we go back -5 and down to -6. That's our -5, -6. You can see that that's in quadrant 3. Then -2, 5, back 2, and up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see that -2, 5 falls then into quadrant 2. 4, 3. Over to 4 and up 1, 2, 3, and you can see that 4, 3 falls then into quadrant 1, and then 0, 6, we don't go right or left at all, but we go up to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our numbers are a little off there, aren't they? Okay, and you can see that that is then on the y-axis, so that one falls on the y-axis. All right, that's the first page. Check into the next video for your second page.